afternoon walk, huh? Say hi to Tilly. There's another little dog over there. Look at that. Oh, don't really want to do it on camera, but that's okay. I can edit that out. I usually go somewhere else for those. I just can't find my spot. Seeing is one thing, but number two, you gotta find the right spot, you know? I bet you that lead has a pretty funny spot right there. Oh, this guy's 12.
Okay.
This is Cooper. I mean, Charlie.
Charlie.
They're Pepe, huh?
Charlie seems happy to see Pepe.
He's always happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He loves all the dogs. And that's Tilly right there.
Hi, Tilly.
She's 5. Going to be 5 soon.
Okay. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Let me finish up Charlie and then I'll come over and do you, okay? I'd like to get about a few minutes, but we can get a little interaction here with all the dogs. And Tilly's my dog. And that's her channel, it's called Tilly TV.
Who's a rescue? My wife.
I think all of these dogs are rescues, huh?
Yeah.
Tilly is, so is Charlie.